All right, quick question. Have you ever been so sure about something and then immediately realised you were completely wrong? Like when you were convinced you left your keys on the table, but they're actually in your pocket, which you checked already, twice, for dramatic effect. Yeah, that's not deductive reasoning. That's chaos. Today, we're going to talk about something way more reliable, deductive reasoning. And don't worry, I'm not about to turn this into a boring lecture. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand it, but you'll actually be able to use it, especially if you're preparing for things like SHL tests. Let's get into it. So, what is deductive reasoning? At its core, it's just a logical process where you take a set of facts and arrive at a conclusion that has to be true. Not probably true, not feels right, not I have a good feeling about this. It must be true. Here's how it works. You start with general rules or statements, and then you reach a conclusion. Simple structure, no guesswork. Let's make that even easier. Think of it like a recipe. If you follow the exact recipe with the exact ingredients, you should get the exact result. Unless you're me in the kitchen, in which case something still goes wrong. But logically speaking, if the starting information is true, then the answer you get is guaranteed to be true. That's the key idea here. Let's look at a classic example. All managers attend meetings. Sarah is a manager. So, what can we conclude? Sarah attends meetings. That's it. No debate. No, well, maybe. If those first two statements are true, then the conclusion is locked in. Sarah is in those meetings, probably wondering why the meeting could have been an email. Now here's where people get tripped up, especially in SHL or similar reasoning tests. These questions are not asking you, what seems likely? What feels right? What would normally happen in real life? Nope, they are asking, what is logically proven based on the information given? And that's a big shift, because in real life, we make assumptions all the time, but in deductive reasoning, assumptions will get you the wrong answer. Every single time. Let's say you see something like, all employees in this company work remotely. Then you see, James works for this company. A lot of people overthink this. They start going, yeah, but what if James is new? What if he works hybrid? What if... No, stop. You're not Sherlock Holmes solving a mystery. You're just following the logic in front of you. If the statement says all employees work remotely, and James is an employee, then James works remotely. Done. So remember this. Deductive reasoning is about certainty. If the starting information is true, the conclusion must be true. You're not guessing, you're not predicting, you're proving. If this is your first time learning this, don't worry if it feels a bit rigid at first. It's supposed to. But once you get used to it, it actually becomes one of the easiest types of reasoning to score highly on, especially in SHL tests. In the next video, I'll break down actual test-style questions and show you exactly how to avoid the most common traps. And trust me, there are a lot of traps. If you found this helpful, stick around. There's more coming, and maybe, just maybe, next time you lose your keys, you'll at least logically know where they're not.